Okay, folks, we got a 1966 Chevrolet C10. We're gonna swap out the old fuel tank, put a new fuel tank in with a new sending link unit. Because when you put fuel in this, all you smell is gas inside the cab, and that got to be a nasty ride. So we're on the passenger side. I'm gonna start by taking this fuel sending unit off. Can we see that? Take the fuel sending unit off. Let me get some. So now we got some light. We're gonna start by taking this wire off. We need a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this ground wire off. Oh wow, it was broken. That's the ground wire. We might need this, so we're gonna save it. Doop. Let's take off. Hose clamp. Let's see if we can push this down. It's loose. Magic of recording. And we got that was like about a 3/8 for the fuel sending wire. Save this nut, you may need that too. So, take off the wire. Take that off when I get down there. So, fuel sending, or the hose, the fuel hose is off the sending unit. This looks like half-inch wire. Oh, half-inch bolts. I'll take off the straps. That's better. That's one. Pull that baby up. Save that right there. Save that. Put it down there. Flop. This is so difficult. Oh. Goofy. Lift it up from that side. Silly. Silly me. Silly me. Out. New sending unit, new ground wire, cool. Doohickey gasket to go in between. So on here. Slick it down in the hole. And go on there like that. Bing, bing. So, I'm gonna need the bolts off the old tank to bolt this down. Now look, I need the tube coming down from off that one too, and we're gonna take that neck off that one, put it on here, and then we're gonna throw it back in. take that. Here. Look like bang bang. Man, look like Wolverine got a hold of this joint. Wolverine gash. Oh, we're getting lucky. Getting lucky. Wow, look at that there. Had to pull a Thanos gauntlet. What? Can you believe that? Look at that shit. What? Wow, now that's amazing. That is amazing. Old Coke bottle. Plastic Coke bottle. Alright. So it looked like a lot of the problem was coming from this filler neck being rotted out right there. He's got big gashes in it. We're gonna put it back on because Buddy need his truck. How did this go? Like this? Okay, ready to put this back in. We got the new tank, the new fuel sending unit inside. Line ran forward. We got the clips on and filling that. We're ready to throw this baby back in. As you can see, this was wet at the bottom. So you can see where the fuel was coming out there and there. So he needed a new fuel tank. All right, here we go. With the straps. All right, I need to pick this bottom end up, tuck that whole corner up in the hole where the fuel's, where you get the fuel in. Probably need tuck this little corner in. There we go. Strap back down and around. That's tight, that's hooked up. Now for the fuel line, this fuel line. And tighten this up. Move this up to the top. Fill her up. This is taking too long. back running. Fuel tank's in, no leaks. Sounding pretty good.